Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youth Man. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Maraschino amplifier by Cherry Amps. Now before we jump into the video, if you're into home theater, audio and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. All right guys, a few weeks ago I was on the JTR Facebook page and was talking with Jeff, the owner of JTR, and I was kind of getting excited about his setup that he's got at Axpona this year. And so Jeff had posted this crazy system that he had designed and put together for the Axpona demo room that he had set up. And Cherry Amplifiers was going to be providing all of the amplification for that system. And so Tommy, the owner of Cherry Amps, reached out to me and asked me if I would be willing to review some of his products. And I said, absolutely, I'd love to check it out. And so Tommy sent me just the other day a package. And so we're going to open up the package and see what's inside. So enough talking, let's get to unboxing. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. So we got all kinds of writing on here. It's fragile this way up. So hopefully UPS or FedEx took good care of it. Now this will be my first experience with Cherry Amps. So let's open it up and see what we got here. We got the return label, digital amplifier company, cherryamp.com. Uh-oh, looks like they hooked me up with some Cherry swag. I like that. Appreciate that, guys. Congratulations, you're about to enjoy the fast and clean sound of the Maraschino amplifier. Wish you many years of listening pleasure. Thank you for your purchase. Okay, they give some instructions here, so we'll take a look at those in just a little bit. So we'll lay those off to the side. Also included some additional instructions. All right, so we got all kinds of stuff in here, guys. All right, looks like a connector there. Now I'll have to actually, let's pull all these out. Let's just take a look. All right, got a braided pair. Almost looks similar to an XLR cable, another braided cable. So that one's a little bit shorter. So you can see a couple of different lengths there. Got some pins, another connector there. Looks like an RCA to XLR adapter. Pull the other adapter out right there. So we'll lay that off to the side. Got another cable in here. So that's the power cable there. Nice thick gauge power cable. 3-prong. All right, so now let's really take a look at what's inside the box. So remove this top pad. I'll let you guys take a look there. So pull this out. Man, that looks slick, guys. Check that out. We'll get a closer look in just a minute. And then the box is pretty thick. If we remove some of this foam, so there's 3 layers of padding around that. And right here at the bottom, we've got the second part of the unit. It's cool. Got a power switch here, power cable connection, and then the cable connection that goes from here over to the other part of the amp. So cool, man. Let's get this set up on the table. Let's take a closer look. The stereo Maraschino amplifier, which is often referred to as the STM, is Cherry's latest addition to the Maraschino line. The unit is very compact in design, measuring only 7.8 inches by 6.5 by 2.3, and the amplifier weighs less than 3 pounds. The front of the amplifier features a toggle switch on the left that switches between the front 1/8" jack and the rear XLR inputs, as well as mute. In the middle is a large volume control, and to the right is a power toggle that switches from on, auto, and off. On the rear of the unit, we have the connection from the amplifier to the power supply, 2 gold binding posts, and 2 XLR inputs. Also included with the unit are 2 XLR to RCA converters. The STM comes with a separate power supply. Now this allows you to choose between the standard 48 volt, which has a power rating of 125 watts into 4 ohms, or the 60 volt King power supply that is 400 watts at 4 ohms. The unit has a very minimalistic look, and the outer chassis is made of extruded aluminum. Now I currently have the STM set up in my living room, which is my 2-channel setup. Now it consists of a Harman Kardon 3490 preamp, and that's coming out of there into the Maraschino amplifier. And then out from the Maraschino amplifier is going to a pair of Klipsch RF7 version 3s. Now this video is not an exhaustive view on the Maraschino, but so far my initial impressions, I'm really impressed. I'm actually really surprised. Number one, typically I've got big honking amplifiers. Right now I have an Acurus A200, which is 200 watts by 2 in my 2-channel setup, and it's a beast, man. It's heavy. In my theater room, I've got a receiver that weighs a lot. Now there's no doubt that the Maraschino amplifier has a lot of power, and so I could easily see you powering even some inefficient speakers with this 2-channel setup. Listening to jazz was just super smooth. The bass sound very controlled, but I just really like the way it sounds. So over the next several weeks, I'll be testing it out in different applications. I also want to bring it into my home theater. I'm gonna try it out with my Klipsch La Scalas, which are really, really efficient. But then I also want to try it out. KLH sent me a pair of their speakers, so I wanna try them and see what it sounds like on them as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be posting a full review of the Maraschino amplifier probably in a couple of weeks, and so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you'll be notified as soon as that video hits. Well guys, as always, you be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.